Welcome to US Market Wire. Today we're diving into the explosive rally of Cardano and the rising altcoin JetBolt. ADA is up over 265% this month, and JBOLT is redefining crypto with zero gas technology. Let's explore what's driving this momentum. Cardano's co-founder, Charles Hoskinson, joining Trump's administration has created massive buzz, driving ADA's price to $1.21 plus. With rumors about blockchain voting systems and growing DeFi adoption, Cardano could soon hit $2 if resistance levels are cleared. Meanwhile, JetBolt's presale has been a hit, selling over 100 million tokens. Its zero-gas technology on the Scale network eliminates transaction fees and offers unique staking perks. Whales are watching closely, and so should you. Want to stay ahead in the crypto game? Like, share, and subscribe to US Market Wire for the latest updates and expert insights. Don't miss the next big move in crypto.